I'm in a 2013 Lexus ES 300H, and today I'm going to show you where your aux port, USB ports, and charger ports are. So, from your front here, we'll just go right down here in your armrest. You'll see a USB port, an aux port, and a charger port. And then, if you've got like an aftermarket display installed, sometimes they'll run extra cords off to the side or into the glove box, so you might want to check in here as well. And then in the rear, if you can see it in the video here, there's another charger port right there. And if any of these aren't working properly, first thing I would check are fuses. Sometimes a burnt fuse could cause your ports to not work properly, your charger ports. And alternatively, if that doesn't work, you might need to get behind this like fabric plastic stuff to see in the back to see if maybe there's a loose connection that needs repaired or reconnected in some way. But I hope this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.